Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
We are back.
Very, very beautiful weather
So
today.
beautiful, but it's so hot outside.
Oh yeah, very, very hot.
We are going to melt, but it doesn't matter, Hiro. We have a delicious
Oh yes.
dish that you're going to make, and we're going to enjoy.
Yeah, we went to a couple shopping, couple places. Includes here's a beef, very, very beautiful beef here,
Let's take a look
Wagyu
at
beef.
this.
We went to the Josh premium beef and the bone marrow,
Okay.
right?
And what else do you have here, Hiro?
And I have a garlic here, so I'm gonna make garlic butter with whipped butter. And this garlic first I'm gonna put into the oven, right? And I cook it, and after I mix it with this one and black pepper and a little bit soy sauce.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make garlic butter first.
Okay.
Then I'm going to use the rice. Today rice is a very special rice. This is actually from Hokkaido, Japan. It's called Yume Pirika. Okay, so I'm going to use this rice.
Okay.
So basically today, what I'm gonna make, it's a Wagyu beef donburi.
Nice.
Yeah,
And
this is a little trick.
with a bone marrow.
Yeah, bone marrow.
And let's also talk about this here. We tried to get some
Oh,
fresh black
yes.
truffle, but we unfortunately couldn't find it today.
Mm-hmm.
They say it's not in season, but we were able to get some caviar. And then you also have some sea salt
Sea salt,
from
yeah.
Kochi, right?
Yes, this is Kochi. Actually, it's called Muroto. Muroto city.
Okay.
Come from.
So that's great. You got the salt, got the rice, you got the Wagyu, all from Japan.
Yes.
And
except
I
for
can't
that.
wait.
I'm gonna clean up these things. Just use a knife in the back. In this case, after you cook the bone, it more looks nice. Okay, next step, I'm gonna cook rice.
Look at that rice. Even the rice looks different.
Very different, right?
It's so round, you know?
Okay, next step, I'm gonna do squeezing out the bone marrow. This stuff. Look at this fat.
It's like, what is that? Like fat in there? What is that?
Like a fat,
Yeah.
Look at this. Wow. Right? Nice. Just a little knob here.
How about this? Is there anything at the end there?
This is a bone.
Oh, it's bone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Like that. And then I need to actually cut in smaller.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna chop it up here one more time. Okay, this is good. I'll put it back to the container. Also a little bit of pepper. And the little bit of sea salt. Okay, and the garlic butter. Then I'm gonna put it back to the bone.
Wow. Wow, you did use everything, Hiro.
Yeah, everything, of course.
Wow.
Little more garlic butter on the top. Okay, nice. Looking good, looking good. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna put it into the oven. Okay, next step, main ingredients. Wagyu beef. Open up. Wow,
That looks beautiful.
looks very nice. Really, very beautiful. I'm gonna use this side. put a little bit of leaf, chopped over leaf on the top. Wagyu Don.
This is it, huh, Hiro?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
I have only one question.
Yes.
Who's gonna eat this?
We have a special guest today.
I know, but there's three of us. That
yeah,
means
but
less for
we're gonna
us.
split to three for
Oh
sure.
my goodness. We have another very lucky special
Lucky
guest.
man today.
Oh my goodness.
Today's a lucky man.
I have no idea, and I haven't had bone marrow like this before.
Mm-hmm.
I can tell you with that garlic butter, with the seasoning, with the salt, and the truffle rice. Hiro, this has to be someone's last meal on earth. I
After
would
this,
die
if-
happy.
if you need it a little more, you can add the salt. Depending on.
Can't wait to try this.
Okay. I'll be right back.
All right. Well, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us, honestly, would this be your last meal on earth? It would be for me, for sure. Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you very much.
Hiro-san.
Yes, tasting.
I can't
Yeah.
believe we're about to eat this thing. And to
we
do
have a
that,
special guest,
special guest.
Mr. Watanabe again.
How are you, sir?
Good.
You rode your bicycle all the way from Brickell.
Yes, sir.
That's at least, I don't know, I want to say like at least 10 miles or so.
1 hour.
1 hour, right? In this heat. That's incredible. Hiro, he deserves it. No problem at all.
No problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see what this looks like again. You're going to serve the three of us? Oh, man. Oh, man. You know, I have a lot of decadent things in my life that I've eaten before. This is going to rank as one of the top for sure. Take a look at this.
Okay, like this. Okay, let's try.
Okay, enjoy.
Right.
First you, Hiro.
I'll go this.
Wow.
I think to me, salt enough.
Yeah. Enough salt for you. How's it taste?
Melting beef.
The beef melt? But then come closer. We want to get your reaction. Enjoy. いただきます。
いただきます。
Bone marrow, extra fatty, double happiness.
Double happiness. Plus the rice, truffle, quadruple happiness.
最高。最高。涙出てくる。I'm almost tears coming out from my ears.
Through your eyes.
ヒ
Okay.
ロさんどうも、どうもありがとうございました。
So now I'm gonna one scoop for cameraman. Cover. And marshmallow. Okay.
Okay, thank you, thank you. That's fine. No, it's not dirty. Don't worry. Okay. Let me hold this up for everyone to see up close. Take a look at this. Alright guys, I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna try and describe this as best as I can. First we're gonna have this piece of Wagyu with a little bit of bone marrow in it. Ah. Wow, the
Very
taste is
rich.
incredible. Yeah, the bone marrow, it tastes like it's almost all fat, the one I got, you know? The Wagyu beef is delicious. I didn't get enough truffle rice because the Wagyu beef flavor took over the whole flavor. Let me see this. Very, very good. This is excellent. Very, very rich. A lot of people, you know, maybe a lot of people couldn't have a lot of this, you know? And that's how it is generally with
Yeah, I'm
Wagyu
okay
beef.
for the two piece,
Yeah,
the Wagyu.
this is very, very fatty, but excellent. Ah,
ヒロ先生、どうもありがとうございます。
Thank you.
what a dish, Hiro. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Hopefully you guys can try to make this at home. And if you can, follow this recipe. You will love it. Until next time, Hiro. Thank you.
Thank you very much.